Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast. Really excited to show you another car in this month's auction. This is a 1964 Holden EH Sedan. Now this car's gone right back to nothing and been completely rebuilt into the custom you see here. The paintwork in this car is this crazy electric blue colour. Lots of little subtle body modifications. It's got colour-coded bumpers, updated lights, and a few other things that modernise it a little bit. It's got a really cool red contrasting interior on the inside that's all leather. From top to bottom it's custom. It's got a full custom dash with the coded digital gauges. The transmission is a 4-speed turbo 700R auto, and it's got big brakes on it, upgraded suspension, all the gear, too much to list here. Head over to the website www.782motors.com.au for all the details.